Hello students, welcome to Saurav's classes. Today our topic is comparative reasoning, and here six statements are given. On the basis of these statements, we have to solve some questions. So now at first let's read the statements. In the first statement, it's given that 5 topics A, B, C, D, E will be discussed each on one day from Monday to Saturday. Topic A will be discussed before E and topic B will be discussed before D. There will be one rest day. Topics B and D will not be discussed on the first day. Now, there will be a gap of 2 days between the days on which topic D and B will be discussed. And the last statement is saying that topic C will be discussed immediately before the race day. The race day will not be the second or the fourth day. So now on the basis of this informations, let's make a chart of days and topics. So we can summarize the data in the form of table as I'm going to draw. Okay, now in one side let's take day and in the other side let's take the topic. Now let's say that Monday, on the basis of the informations, we can say that in Monday, the topic A will be discussed. Then in Tuesday, topic E will be discussed. In Wednesday, topic B. Then in Thursday, topic C. And let's consider Friday as the rest day. So no topic will be discussed. And then here comes the Saturday. In Saturday, topic D will be discussed. Now, on the basis of this chart, let's solve the questions. The first question is, on which day will the topic C be discussed? So, from this chart, we can say that topic C will be discussed on Thursday. So we can say that on Thursday topic C will be discussed. So here option 5, that is Thursday, is the correct answer. So on Thursday topic C will be discussed. Now let's go to our next question. The question is, how many days gap will be there between the days on which topic E and B will be discussed? So we have to find the number of days gap will be there between the days on which the topic E and B will be discussed. So now let's have a look to the chart. Now topic E and B, there is no gap. So here option 1, that is nil, is the correct answer. So here no day gap will be there between the days on which the topic E and B will be discussed. Now here is our next question. The question is, which of the following is correct statement? And here 5 statements are given. One is, topic A will be discussed on Tuesday. Second one is discussion on topic C will be immediately preceded by discussion on topic B. Next one is discussion on topic B will take place before that of A. Thursday is the race day and none of the above. So from this, statement 2, that is discussion on topic C will be immediately preceded by discussion on topic B is the answer. So this statement is correct. So option 2 is our answer. Now our next question is, with reference to A, a discussion on topic E will take place, and here again 5 options are given and we have to choose the correct one. So with references to A, the discussion on topic E will be take place on, and here let's have a look to the chart on topic E. With reference to A, the discussion on topic E will be take place immediately on the next day, as A is on Monday and E is on Tuesday. So the option 1, that is immediately the next day, is the correct answer. Now in the next question, it's asked that which of the following combination is correct? Monday D, Friday C, Wednesday B, Saturday E, and Thursday D. And it's clear that these combinations are made on the basis of the days and the topics that are discussed on the day. So here combination of day, Wednesday and topic B is the correct one. So option 3 is our answer.